Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Emerald Green Arborvitae trees. First, choose a sunny location for your trees, ensuring the soil drains well. These beautiful evergreens can reach up to 15 feet tall, so measure your space accordingly. It is also wise to test your soil's pH. Arborvitae prefer a range between 6.0 and 7.5. Good preparation ensures your trees will thrive for many years to come. Once your site is ready, it is time to dig the planting hole. Make sure the hole is 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball of your arborvitae. The depth is crucial. The top of the root ball should sit level with the surrounding ground, not buried too deep or left too high. Loosen the soil around the sides of the hole thoroughly. This encourages the roots to spread out and establish quickly in their new home, promoting robust growth. Now for the actual planting. Gently remove the arborvitae from its container, taking care not to damage the roots. If you see any roots circling, gently tease them apart to encourage outward growth. Carefully center the tree in the hole, ensuring it stands perfectly straight. Begin backfilling the hole with the original soil, lightly tamping it down to remove any large air pockets. This secures the tree without compacting the soil too much, allowing for good water and air circulation. Immediate care after planting is vital for successful establishment. Water your newly planted arborvitae deeply right away, ensuring the entire root zone receives moisture. Then, apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base of the tree, being sure to keep it a few inches away from the trunk. For the first several weeks, check the soil moisture every 2 to 3 days and water regularly. Consistent moisture helps the roots establish strongly, setting your tree up for healthy future growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.